No doubt, no pout. Let's figure it out. Welcome back to our channel, Coders, Future Web Developers. This is Engineer Mohammad Abdullah, your host, and today we are diving deep into the ultimate roadmap for web developers. If you want to become a web developer wizard, if you are ready to harness the power of HTML, CSS framework, MongoDB, JS framework, and many more, then you are on the right place actually. Let's get a deep dive in it. Yeah, guys, roadmap to web developer in 2023. HTML. Alright, let's kick things off with HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is the foundation of every web page. Imagine it is as the blueprint of the structure of your content, whether it is a headline, paragraph, or image, or a link. With HTML, you are like shaping the digital world. Let's talk about bringing style to the play. That is CSS. Okay, CSS or cascading style sheets is the magic wand that makes your web page visually stunning. From the fonts and colors of layout, where CSS frameworks came and CSS framework make your content unique that look your site. Don't wait, but wait, don't speed the details. That's where CSS frameworks come in. CSS frameworks. CSS framework they speed up your designs, make your site look fantastic without all the manual tweaking. Now let's level up the interactivity of your web page with coding powerhouse that is JavaScript. JavaScript is the dynamic programming language that give your site life. It's not just about making things move, it's about creating interactive experiences from games to animations. Time to level up again. Hello to GitHub and Git. Git is a superpower for tracking changes in your code, while GitHub is like ultimate hub to store and collaborate on your projects. Think of it as a digital playground for developers, for web developers especially. Ready for a big leagues? Let's talk about React, the game changer. It's a game changer in the web development field. React. React, a JavaScript framework that revolutionizes how you build your interfaces. It's like Lego developers where components are bricks and you can create anything on your imagination dream up. But we are not stopping there. Enter JS Node and APIs, JavaScript Node and APIs, Node.js and Logo and APIs is a JavaScript runtime for servers, side applications. API is a application programming interfaces are like secret codes that allow different softwares to talk to each other. Node.js. Finally, let's talk about databases. MongoDB is a flexible, scalable, NoSQL database that stores your data for web developers. The entire roadmap of the digital path for HTML, CSS, styling of JavaScript, interactivity to GitHub. collaboration to Reacts, Node.js, and APIs, connectivity to MongoDBs, storage. You have got the tool you need to craft the remarkable websites and applications. Remember that practice, practice, and practice makes the man perfect. The more you work on the projects, the more you will become perfect and you will get the interview soon. Stay connected, stay motivated, and remember the name Engineer Muhammad Abdullah was with you. Thanks for joining us today. Stay connected for exciting journey. The roadmap isn't a guide, it's a ticket for exciting journey to web developers. So you are as pumped as I'm smash. Remember the name Engineer Muhammad Abdullah. Keep creating, keep coding. Until the next time, happy coding. Thank you very much.